say goodbye to the people at the top. Bye bye. Make sure to remember their face because you might never see them again. Okay, welcome everyone to the world famous jungle river cruise. I'm your skipper. My name is Leon. Before we start this journey, I have few things to remind all of you. Now, first, please keep all your electronic devices properly, because in this journey, you might get wet. Second, look after your children. There's no children. Okay, one last thing. Every part of your body need to keep inside the boat, or else the crocodile is waiting for you. Okay, let's begin our journey. Now, first, let's take a look on the boat left side. You guys see anything? No? Nothing? Well, that's normal because there's absolutely nothing. Now take a look on the right hand side right here. This is the Tarzan treehouse, the king of the jungle. Unfortunately, the Tarzan is now went to other cases, so we'll see him in a short time. Oh, look, in front, there's the elephant. Let's take a closer look. It's like the mother is teaching his baby how to use his trunk. Don't worry, he's just a baby. He can show water there. Now, that's something you don't see every day. Elephant taking a bath. Oh, you see all those wrinkles on top of him? He must be taking a bath for a very long time. Oh, look, it's elephant father. He's gonna shoot water. Look out! Okay, let's keep going before I try to take a second shot. Left side, hurry, get down, get down. No? Oh, okay, I think it's out of water. Seems like the heaven father runs away to the other side. You see over there? Oh, spider, the world biggest poisonous spider. They can jump over 20 feet long when they feel scared. Those two king cobras you saw them, right? They are the protector of the elephant guard behind them. So if we don't do anything, I'm sure we'll be fine. Let's just get past this place slowly, quietly. We are not out for the danger place yet, but your crocodile here. It's okay, look at them. Most of them are still napping, but let's not try to wake them up. Guys, remember, Tarzan had a friend named Professor Potter. This is his inside. But surely someone might forget to lock his door and declare no flight. Careful! Okay, now let's take it and get going. Oh no! Did you guys know how to tell the difference between a male and a female zebra?
Yeah.
Very simple, let me tell you. Well, you see, the male zebra always white color with black strip, and female always black color with white strip. Very simple, right? Now, what do you think? The smallest one, is it the male or the female? The male. Well, I think you're halfway there. This elephant right here is not the scary. It's behind us right there. And this is why. Let's keep going. Yeah, here, the pool of danger symbol. All those people right here, they have 6,000 fun everything. You guys are sleep around this. We don't want to become the longest river. But you're also brave. Lots of my members, they all jump out the boat when they see a hippo. There they are right now. same side. It says something low. If you don't rotate your head well, we will take it from you. Oh, okay. We are going in now, everyone. Remember, rotate your head. Don't let those headhunters steal your head again. As you know, those headhunters surely like hiding something. Careful, get down! Okay, everyone, let's take a quick check. Is your hair still here?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. Who said no? Well, hope you can find it. Everyone plenty okay? If you get hit by poison dart, pull it out and throw it there, cause we cannot keep any souvenir here. Oh look, in front. There's the exit right there. We can almost go back home to end our journey. I'm sure nothing worse gonna happen, am I right? Well, now let's inside! Oh no, there goes the exit. Not going back now. Oh no, yeah, no, fire. Well, I'm in danger. Oh, fire for sure. Is everyone okay?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. Anyone gone missing? If you are missing, raise your hand, let me know. No? Very well then. Look who's here waiting for us at the end of our journey. Yes, that's right. That's the baby elephant we saw earlier. Seems like he's still learning how to use his trunk. Don't worry, he's just a baby. He can shoot water there. Now, before we go back, there's also two important things we need to remind all of you. First thing first, don't try to stand up until I exactly stop the boat. And remember, arms and elbows need to inside the boat. And one last thing, when you leave, do not climb my window to exit right here, because you will break my glass, okay? You don't trust me right here. Ah, yes, we are going back now. Hope you guys enjoy this journey. If you do, that's great. I'm trying to stand out there and actually stop the boat. Maybe 5 more seconds. You can all leave me now.